in the hope that someone will save us and restore us from what we have lost. But anytime you feel that there is something that you have lost and it wants to cause some bitterness in you, the best thing that you need to do is for you to break free out of such a bitterness. That is the only medicine. It is an antidote to that. Unfortunately, bitterness only makes our sense of injustice grow. Each time you dwell on the bitterness, it makes your sense of injustice grow. It does not heal the wound caused by the injustice. In fact, it causes the wound to become infected with the anger. There is a time you add here also on the series of breaking free about anger. And I thank God because the word anger and the series on anger preceded the series or the topic on bitterness. Because at the end of the day, how does anger come? Anger comes as a result of us feeling that somebody has wronged us, somebody has taken our right. There is some injustice has been exercised in our own lives. I want us to know things that you should know about bitterness. Things that you should know about bitterness. The first thing, bitterness follows unwanted experiences, such as failures, disappointment, setbacks that are perceived to be beyond one's control. And I want us to know this, that failures in life are evident. Disappointments are our colleagues or comrades in our life. Setbacks will come, either in your business, or in your working place, or in your relationship. Even with your neighbor and your colleagues, you know your relationship can be severed. And therefore, you find a setback will come over. But the best thing is this: there is no life without setbacks. There's no life without failure. And any person that has ever become successful, that person has experienced failure somewhere along the process of success. And there's no success without somebody facing some kind of setbacks in life. That is part and parcel of our life. And you'll never become a successful person if you are afraid of setbacks, failures, and all kinds of disappointments. Therefore,